Good morning, Facebook. It's not too early. I just pulled up at the local election place, about to go cast my vote. I want to encourage everybody. I see a lot of posts on here where people have already done that, and I think that's freaking awesome. Kind of jealous that you guys got to the poll before I did. But I want to remind you of something. I saw a post this morning. It just resonated with me. I wanted to share it. You'll probably see it later on. Is that no matter, I'm gonna try to get this right. No matter who wins the election, your problems, most of your problems, are still going to be your fault. Now, in no way am I trying to discourage you from going voting. I want you to go vote. I think it's your civil duty as an American to go vote. However, the problems that you're facing right now, the things that you're going through, whether you're struggling with trying to find your next deal or trying to find your initial deal, those are all going to be your fault. And regardless if we figure out or get the actual results tomorrow from the election or months from now, those are still going to be your fault, right? Those are your responsibilities. So go cast your vote, but don't necessarily worry about the results. Focus on you, right? Don't worry about what mainstream media is going to try to convince you of. It's all garbage anyway. Eventually, the news of who the president's going to be, you'll figure that out. We'll all figure that out. Point being is, you shouldn't let it distract you from you being you accomplishing what you need to accomplish. And if you struggle with that, if you struggle with finding people who want to get caught up in all that garbage, let me know. I've got a group of folks that it's amazing to see what they've come together to do, not only individually, but as a group. And it's freaking amazing. The phrase that's been passed around here recently, I'm going to adopt it, that they're using the groups called My REI Family, because they struggle with having family and friends who support them and what they're doing. And now they found the W2 Capitalist Mastermind, and they're like, wow, this is the REI family that I was looking for. So go vote, do your civil duty, do your American civil duty, and then let it be done, right? Go focus on you. We'll see you guys.